Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to add picture in DaVinci Resolve, add an image to video, easy DaVinci Resolve tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, just open DaVinci Resolve onto your device, and once you're already onto your project, just go ahead and drag and drop the images and video that you want to use. So for example, I have this clip of a cloud in here. So this one is a video. So we're gonna go ahead and drag and drop it here. Now, I want to add a photo in here. So we're gonna do the same thing, drag and drop, and this time we're gonna put this one here onto the upper part of the video. So let's lessen the duration first to match the photo that we have in here. So this is now how it should look like. So if you've noticed, it is actually covering the video that we have in here, and we have here the photo. So what we could do first is we could try to adjust this photo that we have in here. So simply click onto that to highlight that, and we're gonna open Inspector in here onto the upper part. So there are different things that you could do, such as you could zoom that one out, and we could also try to change its position from left to right. So let's make this really small, just like that. And then you could also add in some animation for that one in there. So we could try to zoom this one in. So onto the first part of the video, we're gonna go ahead and add in a keyframe over here. And then right after, we're gonna drag it up until here. And then we're gonna zoom this one in to make this bigger. So it will add an animation that this one will gonna zoom in. So it should go ahead and look something like this if you do a preview. As you can see, the video slowly zooms in, and then you could also try to do this within positions. So you'll just have to go ahead and add a keyframe here. And then we're gonna put the position here onto the left side, and onto the last part of the video, we're gonna move this one onto the right side. Just like that. Now if we do a quick preview, this is now how the photo should look like. So we'll go ahead and zoom in, and it will also move the photo onto the other side. That is how easy you could add a picture in DaVinci Resolve. If you think this has been helpful, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.